Welcome to our channel. Activating a new secured card after receiving it in the mail is a straightforward process that ensures your card is ready for use and protected from unauthorized transactions. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Remove your secured card from the envelope and locate the activation sticker, which typically displays a phone number or website URL for activation purposes. Step 2. Check if there's an activation phone number printed on the sticker. If so, call that number from your registered phone to begin the activation process. Step 3. When prompted, enter your card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and your date of birth to verify your identity. Step 4. If phone activation isn't available, visit the card issuer's website shown on the activation sticker and log into your account using your credentials. Step 5. Navigate to the card management section and select the option to activate a new card. Enter the required details including the card number and security code. Step 6. Set up a personal identification number for your card if prompted. Choose a PIN that's memorable but secure, avoiding obvious combinations. Step 7. Review and confirm all the information you've entered. Your card should be activated immediately, though some issuers may require a few minutes for processing. Step 8. Sign the back of your card with a pen as soon as activation is complete. This adds an extra layer of security and is often required by merchants. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.